Hello, this is Mr. B. Welcome to Puzzle Time. What we're going to do today is look at crossing the frozen pond puzzle. This is a brain teaser of how to get these four friends across a frozen pond. So just the story line behind it. There are four friends being chased by a crazy group of zombies and they come to a frozen pond. They need to get across the frozen pond, all four of them, from the left side of the pond over to the right side of the pond. There is a Canadian who can skate across a frozen pond in 1 minute. There's a mom who's used to chasing kids around. She can get across that pond in just 2 minutes. There's a runner whose feet slip all over the place. It takes him 5 minutes to get across. And then there's your grandpa who takes 8 minutes to get across this pond. So all four of them need to get across the pond, and the zombies are coming, and they will be there in 15 minutes. You have just 15 minutes. Now here are the stipulations that make it a little bit more challenging. One, it is dark and they have only one light. Just one flashlight among the entire group. Two, the ice can only hold two of them at a time. And then in 15 minutes the crazy zombies will arrive. They'll all get on the ice. It'll break, crack, and fall apart. So there is the situation, and your job is to take them across the pond in groups of two with the light, making sure that it gets back so that all of them will make it across in 15 minutes. Go ahead and pause the recording, try and figure that one out. Here's a quick spoiler alert. I'm about to tell you the solution for it, so if you are still working on it, make sure to pause this recording so you don't ruin it for you or your friends. All right, spoiler alert time for crossing the frozen pond. This is the basics of crossing the frozen pond. Again, we've got our Canadian, our mom, our runner, and our grandpa. We're going to keep that information there so that we remember, and we'll put a running total on the top. The first people to go across would be the Canadian and the mom. They run across the ice. That takes them 2 minutes. All right. The runner can go faster, but they stick together because they've just got one light. Now the runner is going to take the light back across to the other people, or the Canadian, I'm sorry, is going to take the light back across to the other people, which means our timer is now going to go up to 3 minutes. 2 minutes to get across, 1 minute for the Canadian to get back. All right. Now this is the key right here, is that we are trying to save time by combining the runner and the grandpa's time in one trip. So we're going to give the flashlight over to them and have the runner and grandpa go across. And it takes them a little bit longer, 8 minutes to get over there with that flashlight. So that 8 minutes added on to the 3 previous minutes makes us at 11 minutes. Those zombies are practically here, and I hear they like to eat Canadians. So hand the flashlight over to the mom, and she runs back in 2 minutes, making our time 13 minutes. And now the Canadian and the mom take the flashlight and head back over 2 minutes, making a total of 15 minutes that it took them to get across. Again, the key was making sure that the grandpa and the runner went across at the same time so that it cut down the amount of time that either of them would have gone on their own. Hope that that was fun for you and you enjoyed this puzzle and solution. If you did, go ahead and like, subscribe, and you can check out these other videos and playlists that I have here. Hope you enjoy it. Have a wonderful day.